The Project Cleaner function allows to purge unused elements from the project. You can very quickly clean up views, view templates, filters and selection filters, drawing sheets, materials, attached files, imports, pictures, legends, schedules, groups, assemblies, and line patterns. For example, for line patterns, Revit allows only to purge them one by one. Here I can bulk select more line patterns at once and remove them after clicking to delete selected. Also, these imported line types can be removed from the project with a single click. Add-on allows to select multiple elements for multiple tabs at once and substantially accelerates this purging process compared to the classic method offered in plain standard Revit. Experienced users know that Revit can purge materials, line patterns, view templates only one by one, which is painful and boring, especially on large projects. So Project Cleaner is much more convenient, allowing to purge from a single dialog box, accessing different elements of the project and purge them in one go.